Hey everyone, Karen here. Today I'm going to show you how to generate some incredible high-fidelity music tracks using this notebook. Let's get right into it.
First, we need to make sure our hardware is ready. I'm clicking on Runtime at the top and selecting Change Runtime Type from the droppings. Inside the settings, I'm making sure T4 GPU is selected under Hardware Accelerator. Then I'm just checking the runtime version. Everything looks good with Python 3 selected, so I'll go ahead and click Save to lock those settings in. Now, let's get connected. I'm clicking Connect in the top right corner. You can see it's initializing the backend for us. Once that's ready, I'm going to hit the Run All button in the main toolbar to get the whole process started. You'll get this standard Google warning about the notebook's author. Since we trust the source, I'm clicking Run anyway. Now we're in Section 1, Setup Environment. The code is busy installing system dependencies and updating packages like ffmpeg. You can see the progress right under the Show Code toggle. While that's running in the background, let's scroll down to Section 2, Configure and Generate Audio. This is where the magic happens. I'm clicking into the Tags box. I'm going to highlight and delete the default tags so we can create something totally custom.
Next, I'm doing the same for the Lyrics box. Let's clear out those placeholder lines to make room for our own story. It's still cloning the custom nodes and installing Python dependencies. It's a lot of work, but it's almost done.
Just a reminder, you only need to run this setup cell once per session to get all those models downloaded.
Boom! There it is! The output generated section has our player. It's a full 1-minute track. I'm so impressed with how clean this turbo model is. It's fast and the quality is top tier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time. Bye-bye.